Hello everyone, my name is Wahyuningrum from the Head Analyst Study Program NIM G0C0230H2. On this occasion, I will explain about microorganism with the time microbiome as a part of the English Final Project. Microbiomes are all microorganisms or microscopic creatures, including bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and virus that live in your environment. In the soil and on rock, there is a microbiome. There are also microbiomes in the ocean, even in the atmosphere. In the body, there are many microbiomes living in the skin, mouth, and intestines. They exist and live in almost all parts of the body that interact with the environment. Yes, they fulfill almost all aspects of life on Earth. They depend on us and we need them to its presence. In the body provides various benefits, one of which is breaking down complex carbohydrates. For example, starch and fiber, which are not easily digested properly. Maybe you only know the microbiome of several types of virus and bacteria, which are often connoted or causing various diseases, even though not all microbes have a bad impact on humans, because there are 100 trillion good microbes in the human body. These are good microbiomes. In fact, you need to know that 50% of the human body consists of the microbiome. Research shows that there are about 3 kg of microbiome in the body. This amount is greater than a mass of the brain, which on average is only around 1.5 kg. Each person's microbiome will be different, because good microbiomes are determined by DNA. You were first exposed to the microbiome when you were just born. The condition of your mother begins, your diet, and where you go, the environment in which you live, and others really determine the microbiome in your body at this time. Several studies have found that the microbiomes influence your mood. They are involved in everything from protecting the immune system, producing vitamins, as well as producing chemicals that affect the brain. A new study published in Nature Microbiology shows that organisms living in microbiome-free environment have different behavior in terms of learning, memory, and social interaction. But until now, researchers didn't really understand how they work and their effect, even though we now and classify the various types of microbiome that exist in the body and environment along with their number and characteristics. We still have big questions about how they are interconnected, how they interact with their environment. This requires new technology and future research. How does this system work? If we can know how this system works, it will have a big impact on life on Earth. Until now, studying the microbiomes is very helpful. For example, in the field of agriculture, the microbiome is widely used in plant cultivation. In climatology, the microbiomes manipulate sunlight and convert carbon dioxide into carbon-based living tissue. The microbiome also plays a role in the use of renewable energy and petroleum. Even in the health sector, the microbiome helps in the process of making medicines. The microbiome in the human body will not always be the same throughout its life. This is due to an imbalance in the microbiomes caused by environmental change, lifestyle habits, and drug use. It turns out that the microbiome can have a bad impact if its balance is disturbed, even though most of these microbiomes cause disease. If you know how it works, it will be very useful for the lift or your environment.